Hey folks, if you like the demonstration of the electric-fired humidifier by Neptronic, this one should definitely float your boat. I'm just going to show you how our gas-fired humidifier works with this neat little animation called How It Works. We're going to show you the burner assembly, which is mounted on the top, and we're taking in obviously air and gas fuel, and that fuel is going into this helical heat exchanger that's located inside the tank, and you can see the water's going to be heating up, and we begin to boil. And out goes the flue gases through the side, and of course the steam through the top. Now, on top of that being a pretty cool humidifier, the maintenance on this guy is very similar to the one that's fired by electricity. And here we go. Obviously, let's turn the unit off. We're going to take off the front panel. If you're familiar with like K&B duct, there's a cool little latch assembly that puts together our humidifier tank and the base. So we're going to disconnect the single plumbing connection just like the electrical. The drawband opens up. There's this cool little leveling device, like a little Pac-Man mouth, and out goes the empty evaporation chamber. Dump the scale. Tank goes back inside the humidifier box, and then we're going to use that little Pac-Man guy to cinch the tank up flush to the base of the unit, and drawband goes back on. We're going to replace our plumbing connection, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching.